welcome. This is Shaheen's kitchen. Today I am going to make papdi chaat for you all. So come and have a look how to make it. These are dehydrated or white peas we get in the market. We have soaked it for 6 to 8 hours and then boiled it with little bit of turmeric powder and salt. Now we will going to prepare it and prepare our papdis for the chaat. This is maida, all-purpose flour. These are black seeds or Kalaunji. They gives papdi a wonderful taste. This is baking powder. Salt. Mix it well. We'll require 2 teaspoons of oil for mixing in it. First, dry mix all your ingredients which we have put. And we require very little amount of water. Add little water at a time. This dough is neither too soft nor too hard. Knead it well and leave it for 10 minutes to rest. See, in 10 minutes our dough is ready. Now we're going to roll it with a pin and we're going to cut roundels. If you find your dough is sticky, if you are making it for the first time, then you can dust it with maida. See, it is thin. Now we are going to cut our oil is hot. We have to fry these papdis. Press them. We have to fry them from both the sides. We should always fry things, put things in hot oil on high flame, then slow down the flame so they are cooked well from inside also. See, in 2 minutes our first lot of papdis is ready. It has got its right color. You can also fry them in long stripes. You can give the shape also. Now put off the flame. We have to put black salt, little bit of black salt, chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can also add mango powder to it, chilli powder. Chaat is spicy, you can add according to your taste and liking, and plain salt. Now this is ready. We have to assemble our chaat. You should always assemble all these things just before serving. Put some papdis. You can add some of these. Now we have to put butter. Now put onion. Now we have to put our mango chutney. You can see how to make mango chutney in my dahi vada video. Put mango chutney. Put green chutney. This is optional. You can learn how to make green chutney in my video, how to make chutney. And this is curd with little bit of sugar. And these are plain save or namkeen. Final touch. Now sprinkle red chilli powder, chaat masala powder, plain salt and rock salt. And your papdi chaat is ready.